I'm heading to our farm. It is mid-October. It's the last day of our summer subscription for our fresh farm food. And I'm gonna go pick it up, and I thought I'd bring you along and I'll show you what we get. I'll show you some of the views too, because it's beautiful. Fall right now in this area. Mwah, gorgeous. Okay, let me get ready. Okay, I've got my basket. Let's go. Okay, back from our farm pickup. Thanks for coming with me. I have already signed up for the fall baskets that start in a couple weeks, and that'll go until mid-December. And then I signed up for the winter subscription today while I was at the farm because we got an email that, well, no, I was gonna sign up anyway, but I signed up today because I needed to, but also we got an email that they are going to have flowers as an add-on if you wanted them. They're partnering up with a local flower farm. Is that what we call it? A flower farm? It's not a florist. Maybe it is a florist. Anyways, getting bouquets every week. I'm very excited about that. There was a farm in a town, a couple like villages over, towns over. Is it really a town? They're so small. Anyways, just a little drive down the road, and you could pick your own flowers. So we did that a couple summers, but I don't think they're operating anymore. And anyways, at the time they had a subscription for flowers, but we were outside of their zone that they would deliver them to. And I just always thought, oh, that would be so nice to have like fresh flowers from a local flower farm. So I saw that today and I jumped on it. So I got us signed up for it, and that will start in January. So there's 8 weeks of that. They take a little break and then they're gonna have spring, and then they'll go back into the summer again. So we ordered the medium subscription with flowers. They also have an addition that you can add on sourdough bread, and you can do eggs if you eat eggs. I don't, so we don't do that. And I would have done sourdough, but I've gotten into making sourdough, except I don't have anything ready. And when I left, Matthew said, well, if you're getting flowers as part of the subscription, please get me some sourdough today. So I bought some sourdough while I was there. This is actually a roasted pumpkin sourdough. So it's got, it's just roasted pumpkin seeds. I thought there might have been some extra pumpkin in there. Anyways, we've had this one before. I really like it. So there we go. And I need to get my sourdough going. It's Thanksgiving weekend this weekend. I think I want to have sourdough with our dinner. So, and I don't know when we're going to do our like Thanksgiving dinner. We don't really do a whole thing, but I think we might have my parents over and actually do a dinner. So maybe I'll do a prep tomorrow. We'll see. Let's show you what we got. It's a little bit lighter on the like veggies. It's a lot of greens. So what is this? Like a mixed, what is it? No, this one. I forget what kind of green this is. It's a green. This one is a baby kale. Then like a mixed green as well. We've got some greens. The baby kale, I know what I'm using it for. I always use it for the same thing. My kale Caesar salad that I do a hummus base with. It's like, it's our obsession. It's really the only way I can eat kale now. I mean, I can technically eat it other ways, but it's the only way I want to eat it. We got carrots. We are using carrots so much. I think I'm gonna use the greens here to make a pesto to go on the sourdough. Yes, we'll do that. Perfect. Parsley, which will be perfect for this weekend. Parsley in some potato. Parsley in our, I think I'm gonna do a cottage pie situation, like a shepherd's pie, cottage pie. That would be good. It smells so good. I love herbs. And cabbage. I have this recipe. It was a hot for food recipe in her second cookbook. That's a lentil, I think it's a Trader Joe's. Like she was doing a replication of the wrap that they have at Trader Joe's. We don't have Trader Joe's here, but I've made the wrap. It's with a tahini, I think a tahini Caesar style dressing. Cabbage, lentils, red peppers. I forget what else goes into it, but it's really good. So I think I'll use most of it for that. We'll see. We've got 2 cloves, heads of garlic, not cloves, heads of garlic. And then I got a bunch of onions here, which I already have in my mind that I'm either going to make an onion soup, which the kids love, or there was this dish that I've done before, and now I'm forgetting what it's called, but it was a French dish from France. And what was it called? I'm gonna look it up. French dish, potatoes and onions. Oh no. What was it? I can't remember the name. I'll have to find it for when I do make it. Maybe I'll show you what I'm making with it. But you essentially, like, you don't caramelize the onions, but like you kind of get close to them as the sun's coming in. You kind of get close to them being caramelized, and then you add a bunch of stock. So I just do a veggie stock, or I have the like my base that's like a, I think you do chicken flavored. I forget, but anyway, some kind of stock. Add that to the bottom, and then, or actually fill it over. I forget, I'm gonna have to look it up, but it was like thinly sliced potatoes, and you put a layer of the potatoes on top of the onions, and then you cook that in the oven. And it was just honestly so delicious, and we all loved it. And I didn't do any like vegan butter or anything with it, and it was still so solid and so simple. So I might do something like that, or I might just make onion soup. I might do both. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, that was the subscription, the last one of the summer season, and then we'll go into the fall season. But anyways, I got to put this away, and the day is done. So we have a date tonight, so we are going to be heading out for that soon. But I hope you enjoyed taking a little break with me, seeing some of the fall foliage out here, coming with me to the farm, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.